What industry do you think is going to produce the next Bill Gates? Because that's the industry I want to get a job in.
Industries do have different paces of innovation, and so the IT industry, driven by the magic of software, the magic of the optic fiber, the magic of the chip, which doubles in power every couple of years, it's been the industry that has not only been the most exciting, it's also changed the rules for many other industries. You know, the idea of information being available, what the online world is like, that's incredible. I'd say there are a few other industries that will compete for being exciting in the decades ahead. The energy business, some approach will provide cheaper energy that's environmentally friendly. And there's a lot of science, a lot of business. That's a global thing. There'll be some great careers there.
Every day, cost-conscious consumers are introduced to new ideas and technologies that help us live smarter and make life easier. Consider this idea. All of these exciting innovations have one thing in common: power. And even though stoves, refrigerators, and air conditioners are more efficient today than they were 35 years ago, the increased number of new modern home and personal electronics means that we use about the same amount of energy as in 1978. Our appetite for electronic devices to make our lives more fun and homes more comfortable will drive the American family to triple the number of energy-hungry devices they own over the next 2 decades. And it's not just at home that technology is making an impact. As consumers, we don't question the magical abilities of our vital modern electronic devices. But as entrepreneurs, maybe we should. Since the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, businesses found new ways to replace people power with technology. And we are already willing participants. Digital music downloads were the swan song for music stores. Digital photography put the lights out on 24-hour photo finishing. Even our money has gone digital with ATMs and online banking eliminating the need for bank tellers. We as a society are making smarter, more efficient choices every day. And as we engage in this new digital landscape, jobs in retail, shipping, distribution, and manufacturing are shifting and evolving at an alarming rate. Momentous sees this evolution another way, investing in the power of people first. No matter what happens in the future economy, the power lines will always be there, and the key driving it all is you. The future of how we interact with each other and do business is already in your hands. The opportunity to work with like-minded people who you can help earn extra money on something they are already using is a plan that everyone can do and everyone can do well. The deregulation of electricity and power has broken the lock of traditional utility monopolies and now allows all of us to earn money serving the energy needs of the millions of customers throughout the world. Momentous is thinking beyond the power lines by also offering additional essential services, helping people understand that the real power is in our own buying power, and helping people make the right choices can unleash the power to our financial freedom. Momentous is a company that is thinking beyond today and can show you how to leverage a smart idea by earning an income from the power of who you know. Connect with the person who shared this extraordinary idea with you. They believe in your ability to think beyond. Momentous, thinking beyond today.